Hey everybody, this is Dr. Khaja at Total Health Dental, and we are wrapping up National Nutrition Month. This week it was my turn to bring in something very healthy for everybody. Over here we have some healthy, savory French toast with a special dip, and I have some strawberry and banana juice with almond milk and crushed walnuts. And in the front there is a Greek yogurt parfait with a few granolas and a drizzle of honey. So I wanted to just thank everybody for following us throughout the month on social media. I wanted to thank my team throughout the week. They also bought something, so if you've missed it, make sure you click on our website to get the recipes. I want to thank my daughter, Alina, who's been really helping us throughout the month and getting everything ready on social media. If you like our posts, she's behind that. So as you guys know, here at Total Health Dental, we're all about healthy diets, and you guys know that a healthy diet is actually one of the best ways to get a healthy smile. And last but not least, I want you guys to join us for Invisalign event, which is Saturday, April 24th. Make sure you save the date, give us a call, and make your appointment for a free consultation. There's definitely a lot of values and savings for that day. Thank you.